Narrator, energetic and motivational tone. Life isn't an anime, but sometimes it sure feels like one. You hit rock bottom, challenges feel insurmountable, and you wonder if you'll ever level up. But what if I told you that in just 14 days you could start transforming your life? This isn't some magic spell or secret technique. It's a battle plan, and you are the protagonist. Day 1 to 2. Declutter your mind and space. Anime example, Attack on Titan training arc. Step 1. Clear out the chaos. Just like Eren and his squad had to train hard before facing Titans, you need to declutter your mind and space. Clean your room, organize your thoughts, and remove distractions. Your environment shapes your mindset, so start fresh. Day 3 to 4. Set a goal. Anime example, Naruto's dream to become Hokage. A hero without a goal is just a side character in someone else's story. Find your why. Write down what you want, whether it's better health, success, or mastering a skill, and visualize it daily. Naruto wanted to be Hokage, and despite countless setbacks, he never lost sight of his dream. You shouldn't either. Day 5 to 6. Build a daily routine. Anime. Example, Demon Slayer. Training arc. Tanjiro didn't become a Demon Slayer overnight. He built habits, trained daily, and stayed disciplined. Your routine should support your goal. Wake up earlier, exercise, read, or work on your craft. Small, consistent actions lead to massive results. Day 7 to 8. Face your fears. Anime. Example, Deku overcoming his doubts in My Hero Academia. Growth happens outside your comfort zone. Deku started as the weakest, but he faced his fears, took that first step, and kept moving forward. Whether it's public speaking, starting a new project, or breaking a bad habit, challenge yourself. Fear is just an obstacle in your training arc. Day 9 to 10. Cut out negativity. Anime. Example, Ichigo cutting toxicity in Bleach. Not everyone is meant to be in your journey. Ichigo had to let go of doubts and toxic influences to unlock his true strength. Identify what's holding you back, negative thoughts, toxic people, unhealthy habits, and start cutting them out. You can't move forward while dragging dead weight. Day 11 to 12. Learn and adapt. Anime example, One Piece crew. Always learning. Luffy and his crew constantly grow, learning new skills and adapting to challenges. Be the same. Read books, take courses, or learn from mentors. Knowledge is your ultimate power-up. Day 13. Take action. Anime. Example, Gon's determination in Hunter x Hunter. Gon didn't sit around waiting for the perfect moment. He took action. Stop waiting for motivation. Take that first step today. Whether it's applying for that job, starting that workout, or launching your project, just start. Day 14. Reflect and keep going. Anime example, Haiku. Teams never-ending growth. The Karasu no volleyball team didn't stop after one victory. They kept improving. After 14 days, reflect on how far you've come. Progress over perfection. The journey doesn't end here. This is just your prologue. Final call to action, inspiring anime clip, maybe a victory scene. Every anime protagonist starts from zero, but through effort, discipline, and persistence, they rise. This is your training arc, your hero's journey. Are you ready to take control and level up? Comment your goal below, subscribe for more, and remember, you are the main character in your own story.